So we're kind of on a barbershop street right here. So this street, they'll cut hair. And I kind of wanted to bring Quentin here because it's pretty beautiful, pretty unique. And I'm going to walk through it in a second. But actually the other thing too, we're right on the other side of Triangular Park. So that's right over in that way. And so what we're going to do is I'm going to walk through the barbershop street and then we're going to come out over at Triangular. So kind of a cool spot. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna walk all the way through there. Have you been to the other side before? Let's walk over there. So yeah, they got like the other day when I was here, there was like about 4 or 5, including this guy too. And then it's interesting because this is like, I walked through it. There's nothing else here, but but it's photogenically, it's interesting though. It is. So if you want, I don't know if you want to capture anything, but
I do. I want to capture this right here.
I don't know what this is. It looks like a barbershop. Oh wow, okay. So it's a little barbershop area. So we're gonna actually walk into that space and just kind of see what it looks like. It's really cool. I didn't realize that was right next to the Triangular Park. So, hello. That's really cool. So now we're gonna walk right into this area. So yeah, so anyways, I'm here with Quentin and what I'm gonna do is we're gonna capture this and go through that, but I just want to bring you through this real quick too. And I'm gonna walk through it if you want to catch the silhouette.
Yeah, go ahead.
The silhouette might be cool, maybe. So we're gonna come out to the other side, and yeah, this is an apartment building, and I think I'm going to go to the left in a second. I filmed over here recently, and so I wanted to show Quentin, and I wanted to hopefully get some more barbers. So there was 2 there, but in the past I've had more. So Quentin will be coming through there in a second. So yeah, that's actually kind of like a little barbershop lane. And then while we're here, I think what I might try to do is just see if we can see what's over on this other side. So we got a cat. So I think that this one looks like it's like kind of storage for bicycles and such like that. Also looks kind of cool too though. Ugh. Yeah, it kind of opens up into this whole little that cat's not.
I'm surprised it's so skittish, you know?
Yeah, he's not hiding very well. He's like.
Skittish.
So okay, actually, as far as I know, this street doesn't have a name. So but basically, I'm going to label it the Barbershop Lane, and then I think that way. I think the border is that way. I believe. I think north is that way. So we're fairly close to the border here.
We are. I think we're probably about 3 blocks, 4 blocks.
Yeah.
So 5-minute walk probably.
Yeah. So the last, haven't been up here in a while, eh?
No, man. I haven't been in this area for, I'd say probably 10 years, man.
Yeah.
If not longer.
It's well overdue, right?
Yeah. Well overdue. Look at how these flowers are going right here. That's really pretty.
Oh yeah.
That's a good photo.
Yeah, it's quite a contrast to these cars that look like they've been here for. I think the cars might have been here longer than you last were here.
I bet you, probably older than I am. Some of them. Yeah, well, that's definitely from the 80s, man.
Yeah. It's a cafe right there. There's some beautiful flowers though.
It is really pretty, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really photogenic. especially in contrast to that tin dwelling. Okay, so this is our barbershop again. So yeah, I got like kind of waiting tables here. That's another barbershop table.
Yeah.
It's like at least.
Yeah. Very cool, man.
Yeah. Yeah, the other day there was like at least 5 people.
I wonder, I bet you it's only like 30 miles, 40 miles maybe? Maybe
Yeah,
60 at the most, you think?
Yeah, I wonder.
I don't know if it's the most hygienic, but...
Yeah.
And how it's regulated, but that's the paramedic and preventive medicine tech in me speaking as well.
Yeah.
So, especially when you're using straight razors like that. But
that lady just hid when I think she was hiding because she didn't want to get in the camera.
Oh, yeah. Some people don't like being on camera.
Yeah. I think she was afraid that she would ruin my shot.
She might, yeah. So they're also very careful about it too. Let me duck into the toilet just real quick, bud.
Okay, I'll be walking in this area.
Sure,
they're doing a lot of mahjong in there and such.
Alright, go around. I'll just keep you over here, man.
Sounds good.
Alright.
So let's come into this triangular park right here. So yeah, basically that barbershop lane was right directly that way. So let me just kind of show you the reference to it. So that's right there. And then we're basically in this little park area. And this is called Triangular Park. So I'm gonna do a whole other video where I'm gonna walk by some of these older guys, see what they're doing. I think they're just doing mahjong, and I don't know if I can film them or not, but we're gonna walk around in here anyways. Then we're just gonna come out to the main street here, but it's kind of interesting little spot here. So I think we'll do a whole other video in a second, but I just want to give a little bit of references for where we're at. And we're basically over here by Victoria. That was Barbershop Lane, and we're gonna do a whole other video with Quentin over here. So I'm gonna catch him in a minute. And before we do, I believe this road is called Arco, I believe. I just want to ground somebody so that, you know, if you want to try to find this later, you can. So it's called Estrada do Arco. So that's the street. That's Victoria Hotel if you want to look for that. Kind of in this Ion Hone area. And our barbershop street was this over there. We'll just try to capture that from the side, and then we're going to end this one. Then we're going to go into that mess over there for another video. There's Quentin right there. And I'm going to conclude on the barbershop right there. Then I'll come back and get Quentin. So that's our barbershop lane right there. So we'll call that street Barbershop Lane right there. You can't see it with the bus. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.